baby bear. Where are you going? Mummy and Daddy came home and found a little bear on the couch. Must have gotten in Must have gotten in through the window. What do you think we should do about it? It's like Goldilocks and the Three Bears, except the reverse, because we own the house and a bear came into it and ate all our porridge and sat on all of our furniture and slept in our beds. What should we do? I think we'll keep this bear as a pet. What do you think, Bear? Are you going to be a nice pet? You certainly are the cutest pet I've ever seen. You're very good at picking things up too. Clever little bear. With little bear paws. Aww. Who's nearly too big for its bear suit. So we're enjoying a last wear of it. Till we have to put it in the bag for the next baby. I didn't say that. Well, one day. This bear even growls.
Yes. I'm laughing at you.
Huh? I'm laughing at you because you've got the oven on to keep the house warm.
You should laugh at yourself too, because you went along with it.
Let's laugh at this bear instead. Can you go, little bear? Can you do that, little bear? Excuse me. That was a good one.